Well, right now we got a muffler deleted. It's melted off the back bumper. And I'll give you guys a quick sound of it out here. This is what it sounds like now. And they melted off the back bumper. They cut the muffler off underneath there. So now we're going to put full custom Black Widow Neighbor Hater exhaust on it, and we'll see what it sounds like. They cut the muffler off, and it's still got its factory resonator in it. And somebody has done some cutting and welding right here. I'm not sure what they deleted there. And the cats are still up in there. So I reckon we're just gonna eliminate this muffler here and replace it with Black Widow. We got it all exhaust on it, the Black Widow Neighbor Hater. Cut out the resonator. Somebody has cut out a section there, I don't know what for, but we still have the cats up in here. Well, we're fitting to fire it up and see what it sounds like. We got the mufflers on, still quiet while cruising. Not that loud in the car while driving. Cruising down the road at 50. Can't hardly even hear the exhaust with the windows up. Get on it. It's still really quiet in the cab with the windows up. It's a little bit louder. Now, I didn't get the angle on the exhaust I was after. It's kind of pointing down. I want it to point up. So what we'll do is we'll end up cutting that back out and re-angling it. But for now, it's got exhaust on it.